Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explore the basics of web design by diving into the top 5 important web design principles. The first web design principle is contrast. Contrast in web design is about making elements clearly different using color, size, shape, and spacing to guide users' attention. The second web design principle is repetition. Repetition in design involves reusing fonts, colors, icons, or layout consistently across a site. This creates familiar patterns, guides users smoothly through content, and reinforces your brand's identity. Consistent repetition enhances the usability and memorability, making your site more intuitive and cohesive. The third design principle is alignment. Alignment brings clarity and order to your design by lining up text, images, buttons, and other visual elements to create a seamless visual flow. On the left, as you can see, there are misaligned elements, feels chaotic, hard to follow, and induces overwhelm to the user. On the right, content aligned to the grid feels clean, professional, and easy to scan. Good alignment reduces cognitive effort, enhances readability, and importantly, it improves the responsive design. Now let's talk about the principle of proximity. Elements placed close together are perceived as related, while those spaced apart feel disconnected. Now let's look at this example. At the top, notice how the forms labels are formed from their fields, forcing your brain to do the match them, slowing you down. At the bottom, labels sit right next to their inputs. This grouping minimizes effort and speeds up form completion. The next principle is balance. The balance is essential for a visually pleasing and harmonious layout. So on the left, we can see we have a symmetrical balance, elements mirrored around a central axis to create stability and trust, perfect for formal or corporate sites. On the right, asymmetrical balance uses unequal visual weight, one large element balanced by several smaller ones to bring energy and creativity while still feeling coherent. Both approaches ensure visual harmony and satisfying user experience.